Hey guys, today I'm playing the NFL Universe Football. It's not Christmas Day. It's Christmas, December. Let's get to it. Let's go. Alright, we're doing this. He's open. Nope, never mind. Oh, you got it. Let's do this. He's open. Nice open man. He got it. First down. This is weak. Let's go. Interception. Here we go. Let's do it. Interception. Yo, no way. Yo, no way. Got it. It's good. Evergreens versus Blizzards, Week 13. He's open. First down. All right, here we go. Nobody can catch that. Interception. All right, we do it. We did it. We did it. Woo! We did it. Let's go. Let's do this. Air. You got it. All right, here we go. It's the same quarterback, I think. Nope. He's open. First down. TD. Fake field goal. No good. We got it at least. The best quarterbacker here. That's best. We're gonna get my keys. He's open. First down. Who got ring 100 doesn't mean they're good. Interception. All right, he wasn't ready. Halftime. I can't believe why their best player in the team already left. We're doing good. Let's do this. Doing this for the future. Wait, why is everybody staying in the AFK? I don't get it. Oh, never mind. Oh, felt for it. I did it. Woo! It's good. All right, here we go. Hey, what are you doing here, huh? Get out of my way. What's your name? Dridon? 4016? It slides. Come on, Bruce the Great. Bruce the Great. What you got on me? Fake punt, I mean. First down. Okay, Bruce. Okay, Bruce. Too bad. We have a new quarterback. I thought he's good. We have a new quarterback. I thought he's good. Interception. Touchdown. I wasn't paying attention, but it was good. He's open. First down. No. Interception. Oh, yeah. He got it. Same guy. AFK be AFK be like. He's open. They got their second touchdown. Fake field goal. They got it. All right, we're doing this. He is open. He juked it. First down. All right, we're doing this. He is open. He juked it. First down. Okay, that's... They got first and goal. Turnovers. Yes, he is open. There it is. It's good. Okay, it's only 2 of you guys. Oh, he juked it. He got it again. A 3rd touchdown, I think. Hey, that's mine. Fake field goal. 2 points is good. Oh, we got it. It's good. They don't have a chance to come back. They don't have a chance to come back. I tried to fumble the pass. We could not. Fake field goal. The 2 points still good. End of a game. Woo! Jeez. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. Oh, I'm on 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Yeah. I'm in top at least.